Hello and welcome back, food lovers. If you're like me and you've indulged in eating some rich foods recently, then I've got just the thing for you. It's Vietnamese chicken noodle soup. It's light in calories but heavy in flavour. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. Bring 800 milliliters of water up to the boil and add in 3 skinned chicken thighs. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, some ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 Star Anise, a stick of cinnamon, and some salt. Cover with a lid and simmer for 40 minutes. While the broth is simmering, cook the rice noodles. After 40 minutes, take out the chicken from the pan and separate the meat from the bone. It should come off really easily. Cut up some Pak Choi and spring onions into strips and add these into the boiling broth and cook for 5 minutes. To serve, add the noodles into a bowl and place some chicken on top. Place some of the vegetables on top of the chicken and pour on the broth. If you want your soup to be spicy, add in some nok chang. Thanks for watching, guys. Recipe is in the description, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you next time.